All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, everybody. It is May 4th, so we have NUG right here switching to the long side, and NUG is a super premium. So let's go over to the calculator. All right, so we have NUG right now. Oh, let's see. We're going to put in here not 500, 200. All right, and then NUG, we are at 65.18. 65. It's about 40 cents, 45 cents NUG. So we'll just go off of this one. 45. Oh, sorry, not $45, 45 cents. So 444 shares. I'm just going to round it up to 500 shares. Make sure we can afford 500 shares NUG. I did it. Let's see. Nug, what's your price right now, dude? You are 65 bucks, 66. We're gonna round it up to. I can afford 1,600 shares. We're way good. All right, cool. So let's look. Let's come up here. Put 500 in the box, and it dropped back down. We need that to confirm. If that confirms, we'll be in with 500 shares. All right, we'll bring it to you if it happens. I only got about half an hour to trade today, so hopefully we get a trade in. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we got NUG switching and CVS switching. CVS is switching on the switchback play, not the normal day trading strategy. NUG is switching on the normal day trading strategy. So we're going to try to jump into both of these at the same time. So we'll see. We're getting a bit of a tower candle here on NUG, but hopefully it's still pretty good. And we'll see. And we're getting ready to boost this candle right into resistance. So the next candle could have some retracement. Part of me says wait for some retracement and then jump in, maybe get half my shares in now, half in later, all these different things. But I think I'm just going to jump in, all in, because I don't have a lot of time to trade anyway this morning. We'll just jump in with the full size, and maybe we'll add some to the mix if we need to. Actually, I'm going to bring this down, because I do want to put my stop down here, and I don't want to risk that much. So I'm going to go down to 250. All right, so we got about 30 seconds. We'll jump into NUG. I do want to put my stop here, so I had to cut that in half. Yeah, because it's going to be a pretty big risk. 66, 65.19, so $1 basically. All right, cool. And 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. And we're buying this over here as well. 3, 2, 1. Buying NUG, buying CVS. Come on, hurry up. All right, cool. All right, so let's put my stops in real fast. All right, there's my stop for NUG, and then CVS. Let's mark it up. Actually, I'll put my stop in for CVS real quick, and then I'll mark it up. So you can see on the chart here that little line moving, so I can see where I'm at. I'm going to make it break it right here. So I got my stop in for CVS. Okay, so now I can mark up my charts and see where my targets are and all that stuff and make adjustments if I need to. All right, so NUG is on its way, almost there. Come on, NUG. Yeah, now I wish I would have kept my full size, but we'll see what happens until the trade concludes. Once the trade's finished, then we'll see if that was a good play or not. Put some prices up here so we can see what's going on. So we'll look at the spread. Pretty tight. Nice. Good deal. So 42. Once we get to 42, all right, I'm going to cancel that for now. Get ready to put my stop in for 42. Once it crosses there, come on, almost there. Let's go. We got about 3 minutes left for this candle to close. So we got plenty of time for this to boost on through. Part of me says, you don't got that much time to trade today anyway. Just take your $100. I might do that, actually. All right. I'm going to put my stop in for 32, 35 because we're almost at the target anyway, and I do not have that much time to trade today. Okay, cool. 37, 38. Why are you not? What's happening here? All right, put it at 37, so a few pennies off. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a boost through and make some more. All right, 40. All right, cool. All right, so we're out with our $92 on NUG. That was a super premium trade, so I should have went bigger size and picked up 200 to 300. But because I did want to have my stop below this tower candle, I needed to manage my risk. And yeah, look at this thing run, and it it can run without me. I made my $92. I cannot trade that much today, so I could have just set my trade as well and just walked away and then managed my phone later on, but didn't want to do that because I wasn't sure if I'd have access to my phone later to be able to manage that trade. So better be safe than sorry. All right, let's see how CVS plays out. Come on, CVS. Okay, so CVS, we've already crossed our $100 marker. I am a little heavy on shares here. So if this boosts back up there, I might just move my stop up so I can get my day going. Like I said, I do not have that much time to trade today. Just broke above the high of day, so it'd be nice if this candle would go up a little bit. Didn't get to pre-market high, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. You want to get to pre-market high. Come on, it's like in this area right here. Yeah, almost our target actually. I do not have time to play with consolidation, so what I will do is I'll move my stop now to break even. So I'm going to close that. I could just drag it up, but I will move it to break even. Where are we? Break even. 79.43. 79.43. That's my 79.74. Okay, I was like, I don't understand. All right, cool. So what's the spread on this? 4 cents, 5 cents. So we'll hit this at break even, plus a couple pennies. And yeah, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I'll give it a chance to run, and I'll be back in a little bit, try to get some stuff packed up before I head out. And then I won't be back until Thursday or Friday. Oh, really? ECVS, really? Man, should have just took my 30 bucks, 60 bucks, 70 bucks. I won't be back until Friday, right? Thursday? What is today? I don't even know what today is. Today's Tuesday, Wednesday. I should be able to trade Thursday, Friday this week. So yeah, I won't be, definitely won't be here tomorrow, and then Thursday, Friday, I should be able to be back. So we'll miss a day. So CVS is also super premium trade today, so that's why I went heavy on it. And it'd be nice if that would hit that. Look at NUG just go. Look at that rip. If I didn't have that big tower candle, I would have been up. I would have put in for $200 or $300 win reward, and I could have easily got $300 to $400 out of this one, but. That tower candle spooked me, and my time is short today, so at least I'm making money. At least we're green. You're always going to leave money on the table, or you're going to give it back. And today, I left a lot on the table. Man. All right, come on, CVS. Let's go. $92. Let me get a handy. Come on. It's a minute and a half before this candle closes. It's looking good. All right, so we're at 100 at 80.13 roughly. So we're gonna go ahead and trail this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and lock in some profit. And if it backs up, it backs up. Like I said, I gotta bounce out today anyway. Go CVS, up, up, up. I don't got time for this. Let's go. All right, I'm going to put it at 10. And then once this bid, if I don't get stopped out, moves to 13 or 14, I'll move it to there. Well, when it gets like 17, I'll move this to 13. And then I'll walk away, start packing, and then we'll see what we end up with. All right, 16. All right, cool. All right, so we should have locked in a solid 100 on CVS now, which covers my risk reward. My normal risk reward's 100 right now. I think we'll be able to scale up hopefully after these two trades. Maybe back in the 150 marker. But so we're covered if I get out here. So all good. Everything from here is bonus money. I did go bigger on size looking because it's a super premium trade. And as you can see, the reward rate is so high in super premiums, I can scale up and take advantage of them. Now if we can get this into, all right. Well, hey, 113. And then plus this, then the average is nice. We get a good 200 and change dollar a day. Let's go ahead and put it in the log. All right, so here we are with today. So, yeah, yesterday we barely, that should have been a losing day yesterday, which is awesome that it was. And we should have lost 200 bucks yesterday. So QCOM super premium trade right now too. We're going to miss out on it. APPS is a mega super premium trade. I would want to go huge on that. Hopefully it doesn't set up for next couple days. Because I won't be here. But either way, $209 for today. Let's go look at the scaling ladder. Did we make it? We did. We're back in the 150 range. Awesome. All right, cool. So we'll be able to scale up to 150 now. And again, this does it automatically for me. There's a link at the end of this video to my trading plan, and we go into a little bit more about this, and you can look at my trade logs and get more information on how all this stuff works. But this does everything automatic for me. I don't have to do it. And then over here in May, now we're at 225 for May. So not a bad start to the week, not a bad start to the month, but I won't be here the next couple of days. So we'll, yeah, at least not tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, hopefully we'll be back. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.